everyone, welcome to each channel and can eat or not or try to cook. I will try to cook a new menu that I never cooked before, and today I will cook tempura. This is a Japanese food. Due to COVID-19, everyone have to stay home, and me too. So it's quite hard to find an international food to eat. So cooking is the survivor. It's a survival way. Yeah, it's a survival way. Okay, before we will see the ingredient and how to cook, could you please subscribe, like, and share my video, please? Okay, let's go. For the first step, we have to apply the shrimp with the tempura flour. So the flour for we have to apply it 2 times. For the first time, the flour, and the second time we will apply it with the flour and water. Okay, like this. For the step 2, we have to mix tempura flour with the water. Oh, I forget. We have to put egg. Put the egg. Okay. Okay, here. Okay, let's go. 1 egg. For the next step, we will fry it. For frying a tempura, we have to set the power in the middle power. We will fry pumpkin first. Like this. We have to do like this layer. Yeah, and then fry it. I think this is the correct way to fry tempura. we fry it with our put it first. Put this one first, but the second time we put that one first and then fry it. So you can see the difference. This one is look lighter, more look similar with the real tempura. Finally, we got the tempura. Ta-da! Okay, for the last session, we will taste the meal. And today, I have a special guest. Special guest. That is my mom. She will taste it and give the point. แม่ลองกินสิว่าเป็นไงบ้างเราให้คะแนนเท่าไหร่อันนี้ start with the ไม่อะไรpumpkin กินปลาทองไป For the sauce, I recommend you to add more water to mix it together before you eat with the tempura because it's too intensive. And I have to tell you, my mom never ate tempura before. It is the first time to eat tempura. Okay. คะแนนเต็ม10ให้เท่าไหร่แยกจะให้แยกไหมหรือให้รวมกันก็ได้เต็ม10ให้เท่าไหร่
ให้8
ให้8เอกเขา
โอเค
รสชาติโอเค
ชาติโอเค
แต่ว่าแป้งยังไม่กรอบแป้งยังไม่ค่อยกรอบเนาะเรายังทอดไม่กรอบใช่ไหมคะโอเค let me taste it Give a point actually give this 7 If you like my video don't forget to subscribe my channel like and share this video please and let's see what's menu that I'm gonna cook in the next video next episode for todayบ๊ายบาย สวัสดีค่ะ บ๊ายบาย